page object syntaxes for the Playwright test. So now we start building the framework. So now we create a page object directory. So this is the page object directory, and inside this I have created one home page ts file where I'm just not writing enough or more locators here. I'm just using the existing test we have, which is just opening the Playwright dev website and clicking on the get started button. So now I have created a class Playwright homepage, and I'm just exporting its default. Now these are some read-only properties we have written, like the page and title, which is of type locator, get started button, which is again type of locator. Now the constructor function we have. Now this constructor function, we are just initializing all the properties of this class. So these are the locators we were using directly in our raw test file. So now we have initialized all these properties, and this is the go-to function, which is just uh, loading the Playwright dev website, and then we are clicking on the get started button. So this is the PO file, page object file, for a small test. Now let's come on the test. So this is the PO example test. We have PO example spec.ts file. Here we are just importing the Playwright homepage, which we have written as a page object file. Now inside that, this is the describe block and then the test block. So here I'm just creating an object of this Playwright homepage and giving name to homepage. Now using the object of this Playwright homepage, I'm just going on to the go-to function, which is again going to open the Playwright dev file, and then I'm clicking on the get started button, and then the expectation, which is the URL should have the docs intro. So this is the page object specification file, spec file. Let's execute it. npx. Okay, we do one thing. We just mark it to as PO tag. Now npx playwright, npx playwright test, and then grep equal to @PO. So it should execute this page object file. First PO test, this getting executed. Okay, so page object spec file, page object suite, and first PO test. With this PO test, this got executed, it is passed. So this is how we can implement the page object with the Playwright. So that's it for this video. Thank you.